Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. In today's video I will be replacing my MAN panel air filter with a K&N panel reusable air filter. After I show you how to replace it, I will have a few clips of before and after. So you basically start by undoing the bolts on the air filter housing. There are 4 of them, and I think you need or a 10mm socket or an 8mm socket. Just went ahead and used my drill because it's a lot easier and faster, and I don't want to bore you to death. On the other hand, there is that bolt at the back of the air filter box that is really hard to get out. It had a magnetic bit and that made my job easier. Oh yeah, in case the connector is in the way, you can remove that just by unhooking it and pushing it to the side. So after the box is open, you just take out the old air filter that is probably very dirty, take out other junk that can get in the box, and drop in the new filter. So in my case it's a K&N air filter that actually needs to be oiled before you stick it in the air box, so it can catch more dust because it's a high airflow filter. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if it's oiled from the factory or you need to spray it before use. I went ahead and sprayed a bunch of oil on it just to be sure. Also on the box it was written to leave it 20 minutes for the oil to dry, and after that you can use it. So that's what I did. Also, you need to be careful to put the filter in the correct way in the airbox and make sure it sits properly. After the filter is in place, go ahead and put the top of the airbox back onto and screw in the 4 bolts. Oh yeah, and if you unhook the sensor, don't forget to connect it. Oh yeah, you get a sheet of paper with a few hints on how to install your filter, and by the way, don't expect you get like 2000 horsepower from this filter. It's not really that big of a change. I'd say it feels like when you drop in a clean air filter and you get your factory power back. Now onto the sound tests. Well, maybe you can hear a slight difference, but I'm not sure. Is it worth the money for a stock car? Well, maybe not. So then you might be wondering, why the heck did I buy it? Well, I bought it because it is reusable and I can clean it more often. So I guess this is the end of this video. I would like to thank my friend Andrei for helping me with this video, and thank you guys very much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more of my videos. I try to post about every week. Oh yeah, and have a nice day, and Free out.